On a bright, sunny morning in the big, colorful garden, two curious friends were out exploring.
What a beautiful day for an adventure, Neenu! What did you find, Neenu? Oh, look! It's a tiny brown seed! Hello there! Hello! Where is your home, little seed? I'm Pippin. I want to grow, but I need a cozy spot in the soil. We can help you, Pippin! Let's prepare a perfect home for you in the dirt! There you go, Pippin. Nice and safe.
Ooh, thank you!
Now we cover you up with a warm dirt blanket.
So warm and cozy!
And a little water to help you drink and grow.
And so Pippin the Seed went to sleep under the earth, waiting for the magic to happen.
The warm sun came out, heating the soil and giving Pippin the energy he needed.
Growing takes time, Neenu. We have to be patient and wait.
Look, I'm a sprout! I'm growing!
Yay! You did it, Pippin!
With soil, water, and sun, the tiny sprout grew bigger and stronger every day.
Ooh.
I feel a big surprise coming at the top of my head!
Merp?
It was time for the final transformation.
Whoa!
Look at me! I'm a giant sunflower! I love the sun!
You look beautiful, Pippin. We're so proud of you. Plants need soil to sleep in, water to drink, sun to grow, and lots of... What a wonderful journey! See you next time, friends!
Mew, bye-bye!